cannot keep myself away from Dollar Tree. But here's another haul that I want to share with you. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with what I saw first, and that was the harvest section. I didn't get a lot of stuff there because I have, I think, plenty things for Thanksgiving. But I did see these sunflowers, which are adorable. They come in 2 sizes, which are perfect for card making. They do come on wires, but those could be easily detached and, you know, placed on a card or a scrapbook page. So I thought these were good. So I got 2 packs of each of those. I saw these adorable do-it-yourself pins. You could color them in, and they're little pins, and that adorable. Then I saw this harvest sign, which is harvest wishes. So I think this will be perfect on my wall. I will do something to it. I just don't know yet what, but it inspires me to do something to put on that wall. Next, for Halloween, I saw again these adorable pins. I just think they're super cute. So I got me a pack of those. I saw stickers. These stickers are pretty cool. They're dimensional. So I liked it. Happy Halloween. I love being witchy. Happy haunting. Boo. So yeah, I like these a lot. Then I grabbed these, which are those, like, I don't know what kind of material these are, but they're very cool. They're like jelly. I don't know. They lay flat though. They seem like acrylic. I don't know. But they're pretty cool. I got this one, and I got this one, which I also thought was pretty awesome. Sorry for the glare. They are shiny. And I saw this adorable little skeleton. So he's pretty large. He's pretty long. And I just really thought he was cute to just hang somewhere. Painted, of course. I need to do something with him. Then I saw this sign that says Happy Halloween. I don't know if I will be putting this on my wall or where, just to make it festive and fun, or maybe on my entrance piano. I don't know. But I got these 2. I'll play with them, see which one I like the best, and I'll go from there. But these are all options, and believe me, they had a lot. I mean, a lot of different wood cutouts for Halloween, harvest. I mean, a lot. And I also found these metal words, which is haunted, spooky, beware. So I may place one of these somewhere around there. I don't know. I also found this board. I thought it was a beautiful space to work on. I could even put this guy on it, just hanging there. Thought that would be cute. Maybe put here haunted. Anyways, you get the idea of what I want to do with it. They also had these pieces of cloth. This is called craft fabric. And I thought that this would be fun. I always have a hard time finding paper, Halloween paper that I like. So I got this, and I thought this was also fun. It doesn't only have to be for Halloween. Thought it was very fun. Next, I went to my sticker section where I found some stickers. Yes, more stickers. Believe me, I do use these. I do. These are 3D, and I thought that these would be nice on a card. Thank you. You know, so thought I got these 2. And since my daughters are going back to school, high school, I got these stickers because I will scrapbook. I will someday, but this is all inspiration for that, to help me reach that goal. And I saw my good friend Brenda haul this pack of stickers, and this is actually what made me go to the Dollar Tree because I loved it. Very artistic, very fun, and especially these pencils. Oh my, love them. Close to the sticker section was a stationery, and I found this calendar. It's January. I liked it because it was small, but not too small, so I could write on it. And it has also these post-it notes down here. I found, hey, a Sharpie, and I like that it's fine tip. Well, actually, it's ultra fine. So I like this. I like the brand Sharpie. I was also able to find some dry eraser labels. I use dry eraser markers a lot, and I thought these were perfect. You could write and erase if you want. And also around that section, I found this collapsible storage container. I have some in my craft room. They're a little larger, but this one was the one they had, and I know I needed another one, so I went ahead and I grabbed it. These are not that easy to find anymore, so I consider myself lucky. Then I went to the kitchen section. I found little hooks. I like these for ribbon. Just place them on a wall and you can hang ribbon there. Long strips of ribbon. These also come in very handy. These are power clips, and yes, they're powerful. So to close bags, craft room or kitchen. These little sandwich bags, craft room or kitchen. Think they're very convenient. And call me crazy, but I got these two items with the intention of making paper. You guys will be the first to know how this works and see if I can make it work. That's a project I have for the channel for a Wacky Wednesday. Let's make paper and see if I can make these things work. Then I went to the beauty section. I found these items for the nails. I love these. I use these all the time. I like that they're metal, and I love this for the cuticles. It helps you cut the cuticles. Anyways, so I got these two, thought they're very good for $1. And I found some candles that I like to put in my craft room or the bathroom, and I thought that they're the perfect size for a bathroom because it's a small space. You don't need a large candle, and this is a perfect size. So I got 2 different scents, and I got 2 of each. So this is a great price for $1, I think, and they smell really good. And last but not least, I got some pillows. I got 2 white for my gray couch in the living room, and I got 2 different ones, one for each daughter for their bedrooms. And they are ultra soft. They're a good size. I mean, they're small. They're about 9 inches width and length, and they're just really soft. And you could alter these, of course you can, or use them as is. So I was really happy to find these. We're always looking something for our head as we're watching TV. Okay, moving on to Hobby Lobby. Yes, I got more ribbon. I'm addicted to ribbon. Oh my gosh, especially when it's 49 cents. So these colors were on clearance. Okay, for Hobby Lobby, and I think different Hobby Lobbies have different ribbons on clearance because I saw a friend, actually Nicole from Vagabond Crafter, she hauled some colors that for me were not on clearance. So this one, for example, was 74 cents. It's a little wider, and these were all 49 cents. So I had to get some of these, of course. And then all the rest was 50% off. It's 50% off right now. I love this one. It's a little corrugated, and it's silky. So I thought that this was fun ribbon to try to apply on my cards. So we'll see how that works. Okay. Got this one that I thought was fun. It had little pom-poms. So for my little banners that I put, I think that this would be great for that. Super cute. Look at how tiny and sweet this little trim is. Adorable. So I was able to find pink, white, and red. These were the only colors that they had, and I just had to get them. They're so cute, so adorable, perfect for cards. I also got this one that has a little pom-pom on it. I love this one, and it lays flat, which is perfect. Got that one. This one, which I thought was very precious. Gingham, yes, yes, thank you. Another gingham. This is more of an avocado color. This sweet thin pink, and this one I really like. It's also very thin, and it's iridescent. So I like this one a lot. Got this one, 74 cents. Has a little bit of glitter. This one was fun, and I like the color. These two I got because they're 2 different colors of blue, and I'm always looking for that perfect colored ribbon to go with my cardstock and my cards. So that was fun. Another thinner gingham, and this one, oh my gosh, I just had to. This is a blue, but it has little pom-poms. It's adorable, and it's super sweet. The color is like almost white if you want. Got another one for 74 cents. This also has glitter. It's a pretty pink. This was also 74 cents. Glitter. This one has gold in the middle. And another one that is a very pretty color. This faux leather was also on clearance, $1.24. I thought it was very cool to use like on a mermaid card. And everything Sizzix was 40% off. So I went ahead and I got these items. Now, everyone is making a big fuss on these 3D folders, so I will let you know how big of a difference it is from a regular folder, because we might have a gazillion of those. These look so beautiful when they demonstrate them, so I want to find out, see what the big fuss is about. Is it really worth it, the investment? These were 40% off, so I went ahead and I grabbed these two. You will see here how they work. And I saw these metal dies, which is the alphabet, but it's a different kind of die, different kind of letters. I always like to use different kinds of letters in my cards, even though they don't go to the same person, but I thought these were a lot of fun. And again, you will see me using them here on the channel. And last but not least, I wanted to let you know that everything that is labeled the Spring Shop at Hobby Lobby is 66% off. I just found these two items that interested me, but there's a lot of spring decoration. There's some kitchen stuff, you name it, a lot of stuff, and it's 66% off. Anyways, that is the end of these two hauls, Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you get inspired. I hope you create, and I hope you are happy. Please go ahead and subscribe. See how I use some of these items that I bought, and hit the notification bell so you could be alerted every time that I post a new video. Comment and like. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.